Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up and use iCloud Keychain for secure passwords. So first of all, you can go ahead and enable the iCloud Keychain. Go ahead and click your name, and then click iCloud, and then scroll a little bit down to find the advanced data protection. Go ahead and click, and then you can go ahead and turn on advanced data protection. Okay, some sensitive data like safe passwords and data from health and maps are already protected using end-to-end encryption, but you could go ahead and start turning on start using the advanced data protection. Next, what you're gonna do, you gotta auto save in autofill passwords. So go ahead to the settings, okay, and try to pin down password. Okay, yeah, autofill and passwords. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just turn on the passwords in order to autofill my passwords. Safari and apps will now auto save and autofill login details. Okay, and make sure to enable the autofill keys and passcodes, and obviously enable the facial recognition. Let me go right here. Let me add my passcode and make sure that you turn it on in order to add another layer of protection. Okay. Next, generate strong password when signing up for a new account. iCloud, Keychain, or password apps suggests a secure password. Tap or select strong password when you're signing up for a new account on a different platform. Okay, and ensure all devices are signed into the same Apple ID for seamless password access. Okay, and just a pro tip: use two-factor or 2FA for extra security. So do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.